2 simple steps to have a lucid dream tonight. Welcome to the world of Lucid Dreams channel. Today, we're gonna find out how to start lucid dreaming in just 2 simple steps. First, you should understand what is the purpose of this practice exactly for you. These cannot be so easy and clear from the very beginning. So, before we start, think about what is the most inspiring thing for you to do. Do not consider it as a reality with physical laws or probability. Just try to feel like you are already inside lucid dream, making exciting things true. For example, fly over the ocean like a bird, go to places from the fantasy world, go into outer space, to other planets. This already sounds inspiring, and all this is possible in a lucid dream. And now the specific steps for lucid dreaming tonight. Step 1. Interrupt your sleep after 5, 6, or 7 hours after going to bed. Of course, this amount of primary sleep can vary according to your individual characteristics. So, if you usually sleep 6 hours and you get up early, you can try 4 hours only. But if you need more sleep as a normal sleep duration, you can choose 6 or 7 hours. Step 2. Exercise your brain. One of the most important things to do to get lucid is to prepare your brain activity to be aware enough for it. We will look at the detailed mechanism of how this works in next videos. Reading and imagery. Prepare interesting stories. You're gonna read with scenes you can almost visualize in advance. After 20, 30 or 40 minutes of this reading imagery preparation, go back to sleep with strong intention to get lucid. Here, you can imagine the things you plan to do in lucid dreaming for a minute or so. In addition, 2 important tips to prepare for lucid dreaming. First, if you fall asleep too fast, stay awake for longer. On the opposite, if you fall asleep not so fast, stay awake for shorter time. These 2 steps from the video are incredibly effective. 30% of people become aware in a dream in the first 2 nights doing these simple things. But even if as a result you receive not conscious but vivid, long-lasting dream plots, then this is a sign of a progress. It is worth to keep going. Be sure to put down your dream plots as soon as you wake up completely in the morning. I hope this video was useful to you. If you have any questions, watch the video again or leave your comment below. Here we discuss all things about the amazing world of lucid dreaming. If you like this video, push the like button and subscribe to the channel. Lots of useful and interesting things about lucid dreams gonna be soon in next videos. Bye bye.